Many people buy our exquisite Sao Tabi travel rod set and aren't quite sure how to get started. Today we're covering the complete setup in one video. It's a bit detailed, so hit like and save this one to watch closely. Welcome to Microfishing World, made easy. First off, carefully slide the wooden box out of the pouch. This elegant case protects your valuable rod, whether you're traveling or just fishing locally. Next, grab your JFL pre-tied Tanago rig. We're going to open this up and get it ready for attachment. Remove the rod from the box. Pop off the rod cap and place it securely inside the empty box. That's a good habit to prevent losing this small but crucial piece. Now take out the thin tip section, or tamo. You'll see the Lillian attached to the end. Take the Lillian and gently tie a simple overhand knot right at the very end. This knot is essential for securing your line. Pick up your line rig, remove the hook and the spool pin, and pull the line all the way out. Notice the small silicone bead, which we call a stopper knot or space bean, near the end. Gently push this stopper knot back towards the hook to expose a small loop of the doubled main line. Now open that doubled main line loop and pass the knotted end of your rod tip through it. Then slide the stopper knot back up to the rod tip knot. This motion locks the line rig securely to the rod. And that's a successful line setup. Time for rod extension. Use your right thumb and index finger to lightly pinch the first, most delicate section, right where the line rig is attached. With your right hand maintaining a gentle grip on the tip, slowly extend the rod sections one by one using your left hand. At each joint, give a very gentle twist or push to softly lock the section. Continue this process until the base section is fully extended. Your delicate rod is now assembled. Next is rig adjustment. Gently slide the main float or bobber up the line until it reaches your desired depth. We'll detail depth setting in a future video. Below the main float, you'll see a series of small silicone markers called Mejishi dots or cider beads. Push these up and space them about 2 to 4 inches apart below the bobber. These help you track the line underwater. Finally, grab your combined bait tray and hook remover. See that micro magnet right in the center? It instantly attracts the tiny hook, making it much easier to handle the micro hook and apply your tiny bit of bait. Place the hook onto the magnet. With your left hand, gently press your Tanago dough bait onto the hook. Use your right hand to slowly pull the hook away from the magnet. Perfect bait presentation every time. You are now fully prepared to enjoy the fun of Tanago fishing. Check out this beautiful little goby I caught. It looks stunning and adorable inside the viewing box. That's it for today's setup guide. If you have any questions about Tanago fishing, drop them in the comments. We'll see you next time.